Hello Trailblazers, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Treasures. In this video, we will continue from where we had stopped in the last video, that is formulas and validations I guess. Okay, we have completed Lightning App Builder. We'll just continue with formulas and validations. In this we have 3 subunits, so we'll just quickly begin with our formulas and validations badge. So in this sub badge you will learn what is formula fields, roll-up summary fields and validation rules. When it comes to formula fields, I always it is always there that formula fields are read only. You cannot modify it later or you cannot change it later. You can just change the formulas by editing on the fields and relationships of a particular object, but usually the formula fields are okay. Create a formula field that calculate the number of days remaining before the contract expires. Okay, I'll just go to launch. We have to do it on a contract object with a data type of formula, with a label as days remaining, with a returning data type of number. Calculate the number of days between the contract end date and today. So this, we have to just subtract the contract end date and today. So I'll just show you that. So I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can click on my setup. Okay, we'll go to object manager. We'll search for contract. I'll just click on contract. I should create a new field. I'll go to new. I should select formula. I should go for next. I should copy the label of field, that is days remaining, and the API name or the field name will automatically populate, and the return type is number as it is given number, so I have selected it as number. And next, here I have to put my formula. Okay, I have just insert the field contract. Okay, I'll just go to advanced and just check. Insert field end date. Is there any field called end date? Going on insert field, I have to search for contract end date. Yeah, contract end date, insert minus today. Today will be here because today is an inbuilt function. So I'll just search today here and it's here. I'll just insert and check syntax. If there is an error, it will automatically populate here. If there is no error, then it will show no syntax errors in the merge field or functions. Okay, then we'll go for next. I'll just show you the field visibility. See, for the formula, the field visibility for the fields is read only. You cannot edit it, but you can make it visible for each and every profile if you want, according to the requirement. Done and save. Now I'll just go and check my challenge and we'll wait whether we have done our challenge rightly or is there any mistake. We'll just check it, and we have completed the first assessment or the first subunit. We'll quickly jump into the second subunit. Implementing roll-up summary fields. Okay, roll-up summary fields are also the fields which are read only itself, and this is used on a particular field to find a maximum of a particular field, minimum of a particular field, or a sum of a particular field, or a particular count of a field. So for example, if an object account has a field called as amount, if you want to find the maximum amount paid by a particular record, then you can use a roll-up summary. If you want to find the minimum pay of a particular record, then you can then you can use roll up summary. If you want to find the total sum of the amount paid by every record, each and every record which is present in account object, then you can use sum. This roll up summary is used for this particular reason, so I'll just show you the particular example which is given here. Important: if you have advanced currency management enabled in your Trailhead Playroom, disable it for this hands-on challenge. Okay, please kindly go through this important notes, because if you go through these important notes and follow the particular step, then only you will be able to complete your challenge. Okay, so we'll just read it from starting. Add a custom field on the standard account object to provide the roll-up summary of a total expected revenue from all related opportunities. Okay, I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can click on my setup. Okay, and I'll bring back to its original size. I'll bring it here. I'll go to accounts. Before that, I have to disable this. Okay, advanced currency management. I'll just search it here. Advanced. No, I'm not able to find it. Okay, I'll just search in currency management. You have to go to the accounts object, create a new field. Again, I'll go to new and click on roll up summary. The roll up summary field will only be enabled for the user to select only when that particular account or that particular object is a master detail. Okay, and I'll just paste the value here, I mean the name of the field here. I'll just copy and paste. The field API name will automatically populate. And next I should select opportunities. Here are the related objects which are here are the objects which are related with the account in one or the other relationships. For example, lookup. I'll select opportunities because here they have given us to select the opportunities, and we have to provide the total expected revenue. Okay, calculate the total expected revenue. I should select sum and expected revenue, and next, and look at here, even the the roll up summary field is also read only. I'll just click on next and save, and I'll just go back here and I'll check the challenge. We'll wait for a while and look whether we have completed the challenge successfully or not. Completed the second super badge, second subunit also successfully. We'll quickly jump into our third subunit. Coming to our third subunit, we have create validation rules. In this, for example, I'll explain you with an example. In USA, there is a different type of phone number pattern, and in India, it is different kind of phone number pattern. In India, we have like about 10 digits of phone number. You can set a validation rule like, if a user is entering a phone number, it must be a valid 10-digit phone number. So if a user enters only 9-digit phone numbers and tries to submit a form or tries to create a record, then there should be a error showing up or popping out telling that the validation rule is working, or the phone number is of only 9 digits, or any other kind of stuffs, or custom error message which you want to pop out. We'll just see an example which is given below. Create a validation rule. Okay, create a validation rule that displays an error message and prevents user from creating or updating an account, a contact for an account if the contact and account have different zip codes. Allow creating and updating contacts that have no associated account. Okay, so now you have to create a validation rule on account using the operator and define two conditions that combined, which shows error message. The contact is associated ID. The contact mailing zip code is different from. Okay, we'll just click on launch. I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can select my setup. I'll just bring it back to the normal size. Go to object manager, go for account, and here is the validation rule. I'll click on validation rule. I'll click on new. They have given name for a validation rule, so I'll just copy that rule name and paste it here. That's it. By default the validation rule will be active. If you don't want to be active, you can deactivate it. By using the operator AND, we must define two conditions. Contact is associated with an account ID. Okay, I'll just insert a field. Contact is associated with a account ID. Okay, for that ID must be equal to, no, a contact must contain a account ID, or a contact must be related to account ID. For that we have to create a formula. I have done a slight error. You have to create this in contact object, so that because contact should be associated, we have to check whether the contact is associated with an account, so we have to do it in a contact object. So we'll go to the contact object, go for validations and rules. I'll go for new, I'll paste the rule name here, and I'll just click on insert field. Okay, we'll just read the condition once again. Operator AND, return true if both the conditions are true. Okay, I have to first insert an operator then. And I'll search is blank. Is blank, insert, expression is insert field, account ID, insert, comma. The second condition is the mailing postal code and the account shipping postal code must not be equal. We should use not equal to operator. Okay, I'll just open the brackets here. I'll just insert a field. From contact I have to select shipping, I mean mailing postal code. Mailing postal code, insert not equals to, I have to select not equals to. Insert another field from account which is called as billing postal code. Billing postal code, insert. I'll just check the syntax whether it is right or wrong. Okay, this is wrong. I have to use the proper AND statement, not the AND symbol. I'll just click OK. No errors found. You can put an error message here. We'll just see what is an error message, whether they have defined any custom error message. Enter an error message for the validation tool. Okay, I'll just defaultly they have not given any custom error message. I will write the error message by myself. The contact is not related to an account, or the mailing postal code or the shipping postal code is not equal. This would be my error message. You can make it short and sweet as well, but I have given the condition, I have given the error message, custom error message according to the conditions which I have entered. So I'll just click on save. That's all. The validation rule has been entered. I have to go and just check my challenge whether we have completed it right or wrong. This error message will only pop out when either of these conditions are false, because we have given an AND operator. If we had given an OR operator, if any one of the conditions would have been true, then the conditions would have been properly worked out. We cannot find a reference to the account shipping postal code. Okay, I have understood. They have given for shipping postal code, but I have taken for billing postal code, so that's my bad. I'll just insert insert the field again. I'll go for contact. I have to go for shipping postal code, not for billing postal code. Okay, insert, check syntax, and no errors found. Save. I'll just go here, refresh the page, and go back to the down or end of the page and click check challenge. We'll see whether now we will be successfully completing it or not. We cannot create a contact by itself without an associated account. Make sure that the validation rule applies only when the contact has an associated account. Okay, is blank account ID. Okay, I have to give you a not operator here. I cannot find not operator. I'll search it here. Insert. I have to just copy, paste it here, check syntax, error. Okay, save. What was the error is blank account ID. I had just given this one there without giving the not operator. This checks that the contact should not be related with any account, but I wanted that the contact should be related with a particular account, so I have used not. So that is blank account ID should not contact should not be blank without an account ID. So that's the meaning of this formula. I'll just refresh the page and again check the challenge. I usually tell in my videos that how much errors you make, that much you learn and solve by yourself. You don't prefer seeing ChatGPT or videos like these to solve a simple logical errors. I just tell you to go through yourself and solve your errors by yourself, so that your logical thinking may grow and your logics may build. So here we have completed the formulas and validations badge successfully. If you like the video, please throw love, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and follow us for more.